Hello, this is Tristan. Welcome back to my channel. In today's topic, we're going to discuss about drawing again another 2D to 3D series of learning to draw the Panway by using basic shapes. So we're just going to make 2D shapes and may look like 3D. Again, for today's topic, we're going to draw an airplane. Like again, but the usual I do is we just draw some basic shapes here just to have an idea of what we're going to do. Uh, I don't usually do this, but for the purpose of this video, I am making this a referral for everyone. Again, practice makes perfect. You just have to keep practicing and practicing. There's no shortcut in drawing. There's no easy scheme. You have to put the time. Okay. For this, we're going to draw one of the famous U.S. aircraft in famous U.S. aircraft being used by every airport in the world, and this is the F-16. So I'm going to draw it in a fun way that all the basic shapes will appear. Okay, so first we're going to draw of course, the horizon. Okay, so you may use rulers. There's no issues using rulers, but in time I know you won't be using rulers. I don't see much of any artists use rulers. Okay, for beginners, there's no issue about that. So don't be hard on yourself. Make every effort to be make every learning easy. Okay, so this is the runway or the surface area. Okay, now we're going to draw the F-16. Of course, if you know, we always draw lines. Okay, for this one, we're going to draw one line here. Again, try to practice drawing lightly. Okay, so this one. Again, this one, then another line here. There's no issue drawing, overlapping, extending too much of line. There's no issue with that. You must learn how to recover from this one because again, where you're just using ball pen, there's no erasing. But in time, you will discover how to do it without avoiding erasures. Okay, so this would be the top of the airplane. If you haven't seen an F-16, you could always look for referrals on the pictures. Try to draw with pictures. Do not draw yet. Try practicing with your imagination. Okay. Okay. So let's try to draw a square. Uh, Just for now, it's a square, rectangle. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, and just draw lightly. Then we're going to make a half circle. Half circle here. Okay. And for this one, we need an oval. Okay. Just first oval here and a long oval here. So half oval here and half oval here. Okay. It's half oval, half oval. I hope you get the point of what I'm saying because you need to draw with the reference, and there's nothing wrong drawing with the reference because I did. This one is being just to make sure I'm referring to a picture right now. So you need to just to make sure I'm not drawing this by memory, because if I'm going to draw this with memory, it will be look something very ugly. Because I want you to learn how to draw that you will enjoy. Drawing is a fun way of relaxing because you're not going to be interrupted by online. Okay, so we know that the F-16, if you look at the picture, it has those you call jet intake under its radome. This is the nose part. Okay, so we're going to draw a half oval. Okay, half oval. Okay, here. Okay, okay, half oval. And since we're going to just make it perfect here, this is a half oval, then you try to make a half circle here. See, again, you try again the draw again line here, and just draw it here, meet this one up. Again, I'm drawing this with a picture so we could have a good idea what will look like. See, next we're going to draw another try another long oval here on top for the pilot seat. Okay, so another just a light line here, then make a 1/4 circle here and another 1/4 circle here. Okay, because we all know this will be a half and this one. Okay, this is a two-seater, so just bear with me. Okay, now we again do not darken anything yet so that you won't try to recover your drawing. Then for the wings is just very easy because just draw a line here. Okay, line here for the wings, just make it thick it up, and another one here extended here, right? There's I speak over here and here, so I don't want to give you anything that very technical, because me too, I'm although I love airplanes, I have not memorized everything, every part of the airplane. I just love to draw. Okay, again, since this F-16 is on the runway. Okay, so this would be very easy. Next, we're going to put a slant line here. You just have to estimate. Again, you need a reference picture to get this good. Then another line here, and put a like a rectangle triangle here, and another like triangle here, and there. So may not look like much, but we will be there. Okay, then from the cockpit, this is the cockpit area, and we're going to draw just another one circle here because this is a two-seater F-16. Okay, so may look something like a F-16, but again will be there. Okay, so we're just then for this one we're going to put the wheels. This exercise may look like an advanced setting, but like I said from any previous from my previous tutorials, everything is made up of shapes. You just have to know, it's like a Lego. You just have to know where to put the shapes to make it appear an object, maybe a house, a car, an airplane, submarine. Okay, so drawings a little bit this side views look like an 3D appears 3D visually because it is position itself not half side view, a little bit side view, a little bit front view. Okay, then we have here the main landing gear because the F-16 has a tricycle type landing gear, so we're going to make another like a 1/4 circle here. Then let's put another line and we put the wheels. The wheels are of course small ovals, and the main landing gear. Then we put some of course the wheel support, call it something like a hydraulics. So you just refer to the picture that you are copying it. Okay, of course this F-16 has we call these hard points where you put the some external objects here. It could be a weapon, it could be tank. Okay, this is just put a rectangle here and just put another, extend it like a triangle, and that's it. Of course, the F-16 carries side weapons, wingtip weapons. So for this one, we're not going to do point anything. Okay, so that's an F-16. Of course, the F-16 here has another object here. Call this the fuel tanks. Again, so that's it. So the fun part here is we're going to uh, I'll put it darken a little bit. So this one has a fuel tank here and fuel tank. Okay, so now we have a visually a finished F-16. Now we're going to just darken a bit. You made some corrections, and if you keep drawing, you will get to understand. You will learn how to make this look easy, and the purpose of this drawing is that you can draw 2D views that may look like 3D. So you're not guys you have no boring drawings that always look like a 2D. We all started uh, on basic drawings. We didn't start as a expert. Even I am still learning. Everyone is in a journey, and we don't know, we're not yet, and that even the masters makes mistakes, and they still are not satisfied with what they do. They some people call it masterpiece, but to a perfectionist, it is still not. So again, I applied some hatching here. Of course, we apply some for the shadows. Remember our hatching. Just draw light lines here. Practice your hatching. Don't be bored when I say keep practicing, because everyone practices. Even the military always do some military exercise. That's why they call it exercise, because no one knows what will happen on any actual event. Even concerts, everyone try to practice. Okay, so this is the cockpit area. So just leave it at is, because if I'm going to try to put the pilot here, uh, again, so you put some pressure here because this is the intake. So because it is really dark, try to do some cross hatching to make it darker. And of course, do not press hard on your paper, because if you press to darken everything early in the game, you have some you will be frustrated, because if you do that, you will ruin your own drawing, and then you got stressed. We do not want everyone to get stressed. Okay, because drawing is fun. No one practice just one day and they got it. Okay, so this is the F-16 for now. Oops. Try to get my red ball pen, because actually the F-16 I'm trying to draw is part of the uh, Thunderbirds. What call it? Is it Thunderbirds? Okay, so I'm going to use, see, this is just an ordinary ball pen, because the Thunderbirds has only have three basic colors. Of course, red. And I'm just going to finish this later, just to know that this is the an F-16 for the Thunderbirds. Okay, so that's it. Just a small drawing. Of course, I always emphasize you to draw small so you won't get frustrated. And let me just share you some of my old drawings, like this one. Of course, this is also for aerobatics team. This is from the old Blue Angels. This is an helicopter. I forgot this the name of the helicopter here. This is an old US Navy helicopter that used for anti-submarine warfare. And again, this is another aerobatic team, the Red Arrows from Russia, White Knights, something like that. And of course, this is an F4 no drawing. Also, I think was a part-time. Also, did some air shows. Again, another F4. This is a Wild Weasel. Hope you enjoyed watching my videos, learning something. Because at the end of the day, we could always learn using basic tools like this one, regular ball pens. You could use any paper. The most important thing is you keep drawing, and you keep drawing is very relaxing. I guarantee you, because when you draw, you only focus on what you do. There's no distraction. The only thing that will keep you from doing is not doing at all. Again, thank you very much, and happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. Thank you very much.